Hi friends, good evening everyone. Welcome to 360DigiTMG channel once again. And like every week, we start this internship program and I'm going to guide you and explain you basically what exactly you can expect as part of this internship program. This is an orientation session for all those people who have already registered for this internship program and people who have not registered, you probably can try and register for this particular internship program. My name is Sharat, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics, and I'm a vice president for analytics division of 360DigiTMG. I have more than 17 years of experience, close to 18 years, and I come from MNC like Oracle India Private Limited. My core work area is in the space of AI, in the space of machine learning. I am passionate more towards the technology. I like to experiment and develop data pipelines and try to deploy using different architectures and tools. And that's basically the experimentation that I tend to do. This is my LinkedIn profile. If you want to connect, please, you're most welcome. You can send a request. Coming back to the program. This internship program is specifically designed for all those people who are new to the data science or data analytics world. A lot of you people have basically registered to the graduation programs, or you might have undergone the training from different institutions with respect to data science, machine learning, and data analytics related skill sets. But a lot of you people are looking out for practical exposure, industry exposure, especially if you are coming from a background of engineering. If you are a student studying your third year, fourth year, final year graduation, then this is a very good opportunity, a golden opportunity for you to grab the internship program and try to get that practical exposure into the industry. This is very essential because in the academia, while you are learning things, it is more practical, theoretical oriented and not practical. Unless until you get that practical exposure, you will not be able to crack the interview, because questions in the interview, the kind of questions that you would be exposed to would basically explore your practical skill sets or practical knowledge. And that is what we are trying to cover as part of this free internship. Now, what you will be doing is this as part of this program, that people who have want to register, who have already registered, let me explain this program. The program comes in two phases. The first phase, of course, will be a learning phase. And in the learning phase, you would be going through learning content. We share a lot of content with you, learning practice material, learning videos pertaining to the important topics like Python programming, SQL programming, and various data handling concepts. And more importantly, after the learning is done, after on that particular day, right, this is on a daily basis, you'll be given the learning videos. We don't dump everything. It's a systematic order, systematic right flow will be there. We follow that order, and you'll also be learning the concepts in that same order. So it's not going to be a burden to you. But one thing is mandatory, that is, once you are done with your learning, there will be evaluation. And the evaluation happens on the LinkedIn page. We post questions, something like this. On a daily basis, we'll post questions like this, and you are supposed to answer the questions in comment section. It is not an MCQ based exam that we conduct. It's more from an evaluation perspective. We try to understand how well you have understood the concept. So you'll have to write the answer in detail. Now, it serves two purposes, friends. One is it helps your profile to be highlighted with all the relevant content that your employer probably is going to look at. All right. Because LinkedIn is one of the most popular platform for job sourcing, right? Job profiles sourcing. Employers come here to check what is your capability, what is your skill set. So if you are updating your profile with all the relevant content, that gives a lot of confidence to the employers. That is point number one. Point number two, because there is a specific reason why you want to come here, which is going to help your career, you would be also equally serious about attempting this exam. For that, you will be preparing well and writing the answers, right? So you will be learning, and then your profile also gets highlighted. And we will also know who are the serious practitioners here, who are very serious about their careers, who want to take this internship opportunity seriously, and who are just coming here for for fun. So this basically is serving both the purposes here. Now, once this evaluation is done, we will be moving you into the project phase. Now, in the project phase, we will have an expert guiding you throughout the project. This is where you will be doing the actual hands-on. And then here, to ensure that you follow strict guidelines and you do not miss the deadlines, the industry expert, your mentor, is going to guide you on a daily basis by having meetings. It's going to be a very strict 15 minutes meeting. We call it as a stand-up meeting. And in that meeting, only two things will be discussed: what you have done and what you are supposed to do. This way, you're also going to learn soft skills. Time management is very, very essential. And in corporate world, when meetings are happening, you are going to learn how the meetings should be conducted or attended to ensure you're not wasting time of other colleagues. To the point discussion happens, right? That is also a skill that you need to develop. So these are the two things that you'll have to remember: learning phase and project phase. And once the project phase is done, right? What exactly you have to do, we will be discussing that when you come to that stage. But once you're completing your work and submitting all the artifacts, you'll be receiving a certificate like this. It's just a sample certificate. You'll have slightly variations of the certificate depending on where you are registering your program from. And completely free program, friends. Please remember that. We are not charging anything for this particular program. Now, the important point, friends, the kind of projects that you'll be doing, right? That is very essential. And also, when I talk about learning phase and project phase, you'll also need to understand that, yes, there will be a platform through which you are going to get your entire material. All right. So we have something called as Sprite.com. This is a learning management system, and you will be given access to this particular portal. All right. And you can also connect to the AI Sprite login from here. If you click, it is anyways taking you to that particular page itself. All right. Now, once you log into it, you would see folders. When I say folders, there will be different sections. In that section, entire content that is required will be there for your learning phase as well as for your project phase. Once you come to that level, right? Once you fill up the agreement, NDA, non-disclosure agreement, NDA document, you'll be given this access. And once you get the access, your journey begins. We'll of course explain again through the WhatsApp community that you're part of. But yeah, you need to get this AI Sprite credentials in your email. All right. So this is something that you should remember. Now, the kind of projects that we do, right, that is also very, very important for you to understand. So I'll basically go to this website, 360DigiTMG website, and you can explore this platform. Okay, there are a lot of things that you really will cherish. One of the thing is the mind maps page. These mind maps are like your cheat codes. While you're preparing for exams, you basically create a short notes, cheat codes kind of things, right? While playing video games, you'll have cheat codes, shortcuts. When you're preparing for this content, right, whether it is data science, whether it is Python programming, whether it is uh, machine learning, whatever it is, whether it is SQL programming, you would see the mind maps given for all these different topics. This is for data science and machine learning, of course. And you can see it basically guides you through the entire platform. If you open this mind map, you'll understand what are the various things that you'll basically be learning here. The predictive modeling. So these are all different things that fall under model building. So like this, you'll be able to get a complete overview of the concepts. This is on your mind map section of the website. Similarly, we have learning resources. Once I click on learning resources, you basically go to a page where you have a lot of content for your learning, right? And yeah, you can see here, people who are already registered for specific programs, they will be able to attend certain programs. There are certain programs which are completely free. You can attend them. Like for example, insights for HR efficiency. So this is 9 a.m. IST. That is tomorrow, right? You'll have a session which basically talks about HR analytics, right? Now, there are certain programs which are commercialized. There are certain programs which are completely free. HR analytics program is completely free. You can attend that program via our YouTube channel. There are other resources also, skill development enhancements. You have book, you have the architecture design page, you have quiz page. Likewise, we have various other resources which you can try and explore. These are the social media links which you might want to really connect to. YouTube channel. There's a YouTube channel here. And basically here, you can see a lot of sessions that we conduct. These are success stories. People who have enrolled into the full-time programs, they transform their careers into business analysts, data scientists, data engineers. They come up live on the YouTube channel and then they share their success stories, how they prepared, what they prepared, etc. And there are live sessions, as I told. Rapid Miner is a tool which is completely no-code tool, and you'll be learning how to implement machine learning, various algorithms on business data using Rapid Miner, and this is also completely free. So you can register, subscribe for this particular channel and keep attending those live sessions. Likewise, you also want to connect to our LinkedIn page also. All right. So you have various such platforms where you would be able to take the advantage of the content that we provide to our community. This is the LinkedIn page. I've already shown you the quiz page like this, right? So this is basically 360DigiTMG web page. So you can look at the various work that we do. You can follow and take the advantage of the content. The exam on daily basis will be conducted on this LinkedIn channel only. So you might want to follow and be ready for the exam on daily basis. That's basically an overview of the project, friends, the orientation with respect to what you can expect from the free internship program, as I told. So learning phase, project phase, and once you complete the work as part of the project phase, under the guidance of the industry expert, industry mentor, once you complete it, you will be getting the certificate. All right. So good luck, everyone. And thank you so much for connecting. My name is Sharad. This is my LinkedIn, and I'm signing off. Enjoy your weekend, friends. Thank you so much.